Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Moto G06 Power. So first, we want to remove the screen protector or a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when your screen protector is misaligned, it's placed wrongly, or basically it's just in a poor quality, then it can cause your screen to get a ghost touch. And what a ghost touch is, basically when, let's say, you're tapping on settings. So imagine you just tapped on the settings and now the ghost touch will tap for the settings for you. So these are the touches that you do not make, and that's why it's called a ghost touch. Now, for a case, if they are made out of a bad quality or they are covering a part of the screen, they can also cause the ghost touches or just screen unresponsiveness. So you want to remove them if that's the case. If not, then what you guys can do is clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture, or your fingerprints. So here I've got the microfiber cloth. Now this is the best way to clean your screen, the best thing to do that with. So give it a few swipes and everything should be good. Now my screen is shiny, and that's how I know my screen is clean. So after that, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for the software update to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings. Now you are here at the main page. You want to scroll a bit down until you see the system updates. They are right below the Google and right above the rating and feedback. So there's where you guys can find them. Now click on the check for updates. And as you guys can see, everything looks good for me and I am using the latest software. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the ghost touch problem. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.